Hello, so I'm making this video to help with the MATLAB proof of skills section. This is for the part where it tells you to bring in data from LTSpice and simulate it in MATLAB. However, if you didn't do the LTSpice section before the MATLAB section, you might not know how to do this. So I'm just making a video going over how to make a basic circuit and how to get a graph. Because there's another video in the document telling you how to bring that graph to MATLAB. So as you can see right here, I already have my circuit, but normally you would go to File, hit New Schematic, and it would bring you to this screen, but it would be completely blank. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to recreate this circuit again, but this time you guys can follow along. So first you're going to need your components. So you're going to come up here, component. You're going to type in voltage. Hit OK. That'll bring this right in here. So you can hit escape to get out of that. So looking at the settings for my voltage source over here, you can right click to inspect. All I've set is the DC offset to 0, amplitude to 5, frequency to 50. Also, feel free to pause any time if you need to catch up. Now, when you first right-click on your new voltage component, it's going to bring you to the screen. So what you want to do is you want to hit Advanced, Sign, and then you can type in what I mentioned earlier. One more thing that I forgot to mention. In series resistance, you're going to put 0.001. So now you have a new voltage source. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a diode. However, I do want to rotate it, so I'm going to click that a couple times to get it oriented correctly. Put it right there. Now I'm going to right-click on it, pick New Diode, select this first one here, the IN914. Okay. Now I'm going to bring in a resistor, put it right over here. I'm going to make that 20 ohms. Then I'm going to bring in ground, put it down here. Finally, I'm going to connect everything with wires. So all the components and stuff that I'm pulling from right now, you can find them all up here. I'm sure there are images online labeling this toolbar. For example, if you wanted to move a component, you would click drag, click it, move it around. For wire, click wire. It brings up this crosshair, and you can just click, drag, click again. Just draw your circuit. So now that now that my circuit's complete, I'm going to go to Run. And when I bring my mouse down here, you'll notice that when I hover over a wire, it turns into that red little probe. You're going to click on the wire, and that will bring up your graph. From here, you can follow the other YouTube video that's on the document, to export the data. The button is somewhere in here. I don't remember at the moment. Yeah, hopefully you were able to follow along, and I hope this was helpful in some way.